Assalamu alaikum. Hello guys. As you can see, my mom is making something. You may be suspicious. Try to guess what she is making. I won't just tell you right away. Any guesses? Come on, try harder. If you guessed it right, then good job. And if you couldn't figure it out, then let me tell you, she is making Lancha, and this is not a recipe video, it's just short, She was just making, so we made a summary of it, taking shots from middle. And as you can see, if you want the recipe of this, then don't forget to comment out down below. If you comment it, then my mom will surely give you the recipe. As you can see, she first made the dough and then she made this long stripes out of it. Now I think she's gonna, I don't know, I'm not cooking expert, but as you see, she was making it and suddenly I went and then I came back and I saw this, right? I know what you're feeling because I was feeling the same way. How did it become from that to this? It was like a stick, now it's like a potato. Till now it is going perfect, the texture is fine, the color is fine, and I also hope the taste is fine. And guys, I'm sure you will be wanting the recipe, so don't forget to comment it down below. When we'll receive your comments, then we're gonna give you the recipe. For now, bye bye, ma salama.